You can easily create a playlist for your professional learning session using YouTube Music. First, you will need to go to music.youtube.com and sign in. Select Library and click Playlist on the bottom of the page. Give your playlist a title and save. Now it's time to search for songs. You can explore new releases, top songs and artists, or moods and genres. If you know the name of a song that you would like to add, simply type it in the search bar right next to the library. To preview the song, click on the image, and if you would like to add this song to your playlist, click the ellipse to the right and select Add to Playlist. Repeat this process as many times as needed until you have at least 1 hour's worth of music. Be sure to include high-energy hits, feature some oldies but goodies, and try tying a few songs to your event theme.